It's time that we as a country begin to look in the direction of what is generally known as proportional representation.
Okay.
So that the party declared to have won 21% of the vote also has 21% of the government.
Nice one.
That way, we will all see ourselves as critical stakeholders because we know what adversarial politics breeds.
True.
Adversarial politics always breeds division and enmity. Even when what President Jonathan is doing, which 10 or so years after, all the political parties in this country agreed with. They even put it in their manifesto. Subsidy must be removed. Subsidy must be removed. Subsidy must be removed. We in ACN at the time.
Okay. What did you guys do? You did laugh.
We in ACN at the time in 2012. We know the truth, sir. But it is all politics. I'm sure he remembers how many balls they had to juggle in order to try and make Nigerians happy. In the end, we were not very happy with him.
Because you wanted power.
It is now that some happiness is returning. Your Excellency, I'm sure when you read newspapers now, you just laugh and say, well, thank God I'm still alive to read this.
Now the clap.
It's because I was reading our finance minister a couple of days ago say that the last time we experienced growth, economic growth, concretely speaking, in Nigeria was during your administration.
And you ended up pulling him down.
And that is why we must ensure that everybody is a critical stakeholder by stopping this winner-takes-all electoral approach and embrace consensus-driven politics. Let the manifesto of PDP be put on the table. Let the manifesto of APC be put on the table. Let the manifesto of Labour be put on the table. Let's have a synthesis of what is in the overall interest of Nigeria, and then select those who would pilot the program alongside the president from all the critical constituencies. That is how to make Nigeria work, in my view. If we get there, we would have succeeded. Thank you for this opportunity.
We need to stop all this pull him down syndrome coming from the opposition party just to climb up. Even when he's doing the right thing. It needs to stop.